Hi, Pipeline admins. Thanks for joining me in the account settings. Let's dive into Instant Docs. This feature lets you generate customized documents like proposals or invoices right from Pipeline CRM using the data you've already entered. It's a big time saver and keeps things looking consistent and professional. Here's how the setup works. Outside of Pipeline, you're going to create a .docx file, usually do that in Word, and you'll add placeholders where CRM data should appear. As an admin, you can jump in and add a new template. Once you've created it, select it, name it, give it a type, and hit save. That document will show up here. You can click into this template, name that template, give it a type, and you can enable it to show up in the deal, person, or company. In this instant, we want this to pull information from the deal. You're going to come down here and you're going to see where you can map the pipeline field. So this is your document. These are your placeholders. This is where you want that field to populate. Fill all of that out. Go ahead and hit save. How Instadocs actually works will be in a separate video, but once the templates are created, it's so easy to just click, choose template, and Pipeline CRM autofills with your mapped data. Thanks so much.